I'm going to rip my little sister Breana's teddy bear. Ha 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 ha.
Hey Miguel, why are you laughing silly to me?
Oh, nothing. I just want to see your teddy bear.
Why? My teddy bear was a gift since I was born. I wouldn't give my teddy bear to anyone ever.
Don't worry, Breana. I wouldn't do anything to the teddy bear. Hand me the teddy bear, please.
No.
Please.
No, or else I will cry.
If you give me the teddy bear, I promise you that I will invite you to Yogurtland.
Okay, I will give it to you. I love to eat at Yogurtland.
Psych.
My teddy bear's ripped. No. What? I'm telling my mom and dad about this, Miguel.
Oh crap. I'm in dead meat in a stick.
Miguel, get downstairs right now.
Coming, Mom. What is it, Mom and Dad?
Miguel, Breana told me that you ripped her teddy bear. Is that true?
Tell us the truth right now.
Yes, I did.
Miguel, I cannot believe you ripped Breana's teddy bear! You know that your grandma gave her that teddy bear when she was born! Now thanks to you, her feelings, it really hurt!
That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 years. Now go to your room right freaking now and don't come out until dinner time.
Sweetie, your mean brother is now upstairs. Don't worry, we are going to buy a new teddy bear from Build-A-Bear Workshop. There's no need to cry.